Aninda, what do you think? Could this be a risk right now to Pakistan?
Yes, I mean, a lot of this is derived from the credibility shock that Pakistani authorities have undergone in the aftermath of Obama's killing. The classic question of competence versus complicity arises, but the degree of codependency between the United States and Pakistan is still very, very high. The Americans need Pakistan for supply routes and other logistical issues that, on account of which Pakistan is still very, very important to the U.S. And U.S. assistance, be it through coalition support fund disbursements or the Kerry-Lugar bill, which provides non-military assistance, as well as U.S. backing for the IMF program, are critically important for Pakistan. And it's hard to envisage
Aninda,
a complete
have
breakdown.
you factored this into your outlook on Pakistan then? It looks like the U.S. might be cutting its $20 billion in aid. Does that mean you're going to reduce Pakistan's credit rating?
The rating currently is at B3, which is the lowest it can get, ahead of a C-level rating, at which point you start to estimate the magnitude of losses, not just the probability of default. So at this level of the rating, I think we're capturing in a significant amount of volatility, and we did not raise the rating in particular because of the flooding from last year, which also weakened the economy. So I think what we're trying to do here is to capture a significant amount of unpredictability within the policy framework and the political relationship with the B3 rating right now.
But what about the elevated risk? Many have thought in the past that Pakistan in some ways has been harboring terrorists, and doesn't this case really prove that theory to be right? So there might be companies pulling out of the country.
Well, what it certainly proves is a fragmentation of authority at the highest levels. Whether or not the entire country is complicit in this, as you say, as you characterize it, is unclear. I think the evidence that the U.S. has on this issue will take some time to come out. So we'll have to see what that means for the overall aid program before we jump to conclusions.
Okay.